Good morning, everybody. Today I will take your revision class. First from text, then from grammar. Okay? From the text, you know that you are having that chapter, whatever I have taken in the term 2 and also PT2. So this chapter I am just taking revision. On my blackboard I can draw. From there, the question, okay beta, I am fine. Aradha, everybody please, if you want, you can open your copy, and if you want also, you can answer me questions. So here, revision class, that MCQ pattern question will come, and you know that question will be very easy, but you have to read thoroughly your book, all these prose and poem. Those prose and poem is in your syllabus. So please let me write the question, and if you can answer it. Okay. So if I am telling number 1, how many? Here they have given 4 little chimneys painted white, 5 little windows, 2 brown gates. So how many chimneys? How many chimneys are in this poem? I am not writing the poem's name, just I am telling this poem on my blackboard. So, I think you have got your exam date. You will just look our website. It has already given. Routine has been uploaded. Please look at the school website, okay? So here, number 1 or A, 5, number 2, 6, number 3, 4. So number 2, if I am asking that how many marigolds? Okay, so how many marigolds? Marigolds, just I am not writing in the poem. How many marigolds? Obviously 6. Okay, so I will give options 6, 7, 8. Okay, B, C. A, B, C. So obviously it is 6. Here it is 4. Next, Orphan, I not bring the book means I could not understand. Orphan, please, if you want to answer that, answer, and also if you want to write the question answer, you can write. So next, also that another chapter, make it shorter. Do you know? Answer is number 3. Who was Akbar? If I am asking that, number 1, king or emperor, number 2, ministers, and number 3, courtiers. Courtiers. So you know that Akbar is a king. And next, if I am asking that, who was Birbal? Who was Birbal? So question number 1, I am just rubbing that. Question number 1, yes, Akbar was a king. And number 4, if I am telling that Birbal was, number 1, intelligent, number 2, foolish, and number 3, not sensible. So which questions, which answer? Minister, I'm not asking, beta. Just look at this key, look at the answer. Yes, Oshmi is telling number A. Is very intelligent person, intelligent minister. Okay. Next, if I am telling that, meaning also please read. Whatever meaning I have written for you. If I am telling that, number 5, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of puzzle? Puzzle. Number 1, confused. Number 2, very happy. And number 3, sad. So obviously confused. Yes, it's very good. So confused. Then we can go to the chapter number. Mumbai Musician already you have done for the questions. I am not giving the questions from there because it is from PT2, but term to question will come. But revision I have given, from that revision question will come. But one thing I will just tell, magic porridge pot. Magic porridge pot. Magic porridge pot. So, number 10, who was Tara? Number 1, a girl. Number 2, a woman. Number 3, a boy. So you know the answer? A girl. Yes, it's very good. Next, if I am telling that with whom Tara is living? With whom? Please tell me. With whom Tara is living? With whom Tara is living? Please tell me. Mother. Yes, her mother. Second one, I am telling everybody is answering that. Is very nice. Purvayon, Oshmi, Deboshmita, everybody is answering. Okay. Next, if I am telling also, who told? I told always, please read all the story very nicely. Who told? Stop pot. Who told? Wait. Do not cook more. Cook more. Who told? Number 1, his mother. His grandmother. And Tara. He's not, sorry, her mother, her grandmother. And number 3, Tara. So here also answer is that Tara's mother. Yes, very good. Tara's mother. So like this type of question will come. And also if I am asking that, who had given the magic pot to Tara? Please answer me. Who had given the magic pot to Tara? Please write that, Oshmi or Ayan, Priya, Deboshmita. Yes, Hridi has written the old woman. Yes, everybody has written. Whoever I am asking that, they have written that. Tara. Okay. Next, this frog's answer, you have to write like this. Number 1, who told told, or croak, croak, not told, whose calling is? Whose calling is? Is croak, croak. Please tell the answer. Frog, obviously, frogs. So whose telling is wee wee? Please write that. Wee wee. That is for pig. And whose telling is wow wow? Indrakshi, please look at the website, beta. How can I know that? Now I don't know. Okay. Indrakshi, please look at the website. If you are having any problem, please call to me, write to me, or you can call to school. Okay. So like this type of question will come, and also from grasshopper and the ant, you know that story. So we can tell that who stored food? Who stored food for winter? Number one, who stored food for winter? Please answer me. Ant. Okay, beta. Devapriya, I am not telling to write. If you are writing that, also you can look at the YouTube. Okay. Kaushik, A-N-T, not W. I think it's typing mistake. Okay. So again, if I am telling that, what is the meaning of starve? I have written already. Please write the meaning of starve. S-T-A-R-V-E. Number one. Number one, die or cause or die or suffer of causing or suffer from hunger. This is the meaning, from hunger. Hungry also you can, but die or suffer from hunger. Okay. Die or hungry means actually starve মানে খিদের জ্বালায় মরে যাওয়া অথবা কষ্ট পাওয়া. In Bengali I am telling, okay, hungry. So here die or suffer from hunger. Okay, die or suffer from hunger. So do you know what is the meaning of tiniest? Tiniest meaning? Tiniest means smallest. Okay, that is smallest. Tiniest means smallest. Next, we can go to the, if we can go to the grammar from all the chapter. Oh, Indrakshi, some problem is there for you. Okay, I will give. Now the class will be just going to finish. So now please leave. You will look at the YouTube class. Okay, beta? I will upload this class in YouTube. So question number, that grammar from the doing words you are having. So fill in the blanks you will get. And also like the next when, which chapter, I have done the revision. So from that revision you will get this, like this 4 or 5 sentences I am just writing for you. If I am telling number 1, dash will decorate your room. So these 2 answers will be there. Who will decorate your room? Okay. Or if you are telling that when, that is also when will you decorate? That is also correct. Okay, but who and when, that is correct. So like this type of question will come. Who is your class teacher? So when does the bus drop in your home? Number 2, if I am telling that what is lying? Is lying under your bed. Under your bed. So what? When or who? Yes, what is your lying under your bed? Like this type of come. So again for that, should not, if I am giving that SHOULD, should not, shouldn't. Okay, that also you know that you are having in this short form. So here short form also these questions will come. And past tense like this, fill in the blanks. Shouldn't, you tell that SHOULDNT. If I am telling full form of WONT, so full form will come and short form will come. Won't, please tell the full form. Won't. It's not chapter beta, just I am revision, just I am doing the revision. Okay. So here won't, please type that. Won't, full form, please remember, will not. Okay. Chapter number that is 22. Chapter number 22. Ayush is written that chapter number 22. Okay. So that is why it is all, it will come, the fill in the blanks. Will not. Like this, the doing words, and also we like to play chess. I have a chapter number 23. Riddhi, what you are chapter number 23? Chapter number 23? Chapter number 23, that is in, on, behind, under. That also I have given the revision. So please, short form chapter number 22. Yes. So any problem? So this type of question will come from your grammar book and revision. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Anybody, please tell me. Let me see who are in my class. Obhirup Banerjee. Obhirup, after many days, why you are absent for so many days? Amartya Niyogi, Aradhya Datto, Arman Samim, Orpon Das, Oshmi Pal, Oshmit Mondal, Ayush Pal, Debopriya Mukherjee, Deboshmita Majhi, Debopriya Mondal, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, Dhridi Paja, Indrakshi Sen, Kaushik Ghosh, Kritika Pal, Liza Khatun. So please, if you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay? And Indrakshi, please look at the school website. If you cannot see, some problem is there, you will call to school. I will also tell your name to school. So please, if you are having any problem, please write to me, my e-portal. And do like this type of MCQ, whatever I have done in the class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.